ADEC Technologies is a Swiss manufacturer of non-intrusive traffic detectors and related equipment. Founded in 2009, the company has been at the forefront of development of highly accurate and reliable overhead traffic detectors ever since. In 2016, the company introduced a solar-powered IoT gateway capable of supporting autonomous traffic data acquisition from up to 3 traffic lanes. Individual vehicle records, or average traffic data, are transmitted into the cloud. From there, the data can be visualized, downloaded and exported. The data are available to third-party software via web interfaces to perform traffic management tasks. ADEC has developed its own cloud actuator, which are robust industrial-grade I/O devices that can be controlled from the cloud to toggle outputs based on traffic conditions at any of the measurement points. Other traffic detectors provide simple contact closure outputs to signal approaching or presence of a vehicle or a person. These detectors do typically not require any commissioning. Instead, they only need to be mounted, aligned and connected. ADEC Technologies detectors are installed in dozens of countries around the world. Visit our website at adec.swiss to learn more. Maximize the impact of your traffic management system. Make sure it has the most accurate and reliable data to act upon. Do not hesitate to contact us for any questions you may have.